California produces a staggering amount of almonds. These orchards, stretching as far as the eye can see, are a testament to the state's dedication to almond farming. The sight of these blooming trees is nothing short of breathtaking, especially during peak bloom when the landscape is painted in hues of white and pink. Over 80% of the world's supply comes from this one state. This means that when you enjoy almonds in your cereal, snacks, or desserts, there's a high chance they originated from California. The state's almond industry is a powerhouse, contributing significantly to the global market and economy. Drive down a country road, and you'll likely see rows of these trees stretching into the distance. The sight is almost poetic, with the neatly lined trees creating a rhythmic pattern against the horizon. It's a serene and picturesque journey that showcases the beauty of California's agricultural landscape. It's a testament to the state's agricultural prowess and the global appetite for this versatile nut. Almonds are not just a snack, they are a key ingredient in many culinary creations, from almond milk to almond butter, and even in savory dishes. The demand for almonds continues to grow, driven by their health benefits and versatility in cooking. The almond's journey from tree to table is a fascinating one. It begins with the careful cultivation of the trees, followed by the meticulous process of harvesting. Once harvested, the almonds are transported to processing facilities where they are cleaned, sorted, and packaged. Each step is crucial to ensure the quality and safety of the final product. It involves a delicate interplay of nature and technology. Modern farming equipment and advanced processing machinery play a vital role in maintaining the efficiency and productivity of almond farming. Technology has revolutionized the way almonds are grown and processed, making the industry more sustainable and efficient. Farmers, scientists, and engineers have worked together to refine this process over decades. Their collaboration has led to innovations in farming techniques, pest control, and water management. Scientists study the trees to understand their needs and develop methods to improve yield and quality, while engineers design machinery that enhances the efficiency of harvesting and processing. The result is a system that is both efficient and mindful of its environmental impact. Sustainable farming practices are at the forefront of the industry, with efforts to reduce water usage, minimize pesticide application, and promote biodiversity. Eco-friendly harvesting methods ensure that the process is not only productive but also gentle on the environment. This commitment to sustainability ensures that California's almond industry can continue to thrive for generations to come, providing the world with this beloved nut. Almond trees bloom early in the year. As the chill of winter begins to fade, these trees awaken from their slumber, their branches adorned with delicate blossoms. The sight is nothing short of magical, as if nature herself is putting on a grand show to welcome the new season. February often sees the orchards explode in a sea of white and pink blossoms. Each flower is a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. The air is filled with a sweet fragrance, and the landscape is transformed into a painter's dream, with hues of white and pink stretching as far as the eye can see. This signals the start of a crucial stage pollination. The blossoms are not just for show, they play a vital role in the life cycle of the almond tree. Each blossom is a potential almond, waiting to be fertilized. This is where the bees come in, acting as nature's little helpers. Honeybees are brought in by the truckload. Beekeepers from all over the country transport their hives to the orchards, knowing that the bees will find a bountiful feast here. The arrival of the bees is a well-coordinated effort, ensuring that the trees get the pollination they need at just the right time. They feast on the nectar and spread pollen from tree to tree. As the bees move from blossom to blossom, they inadvertently transfer pollen, facilitating the fertilization process. This dance between the bees and the blossoms is a marvel of nature, a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. This is a mutually beneficial relationship. The bees get a vital food source, rich in nutrients, while the almond trees get the pollination they need to produce fruit. It's a perfect example of how interconnected life is, with each species playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. The bees get a vital food source, and the almond trees get pollinated. Without the bees, the trees would struggle to produce almonds. This relationship highlights the importance of pollinators in agriculture and the delicate balance that sustains our food systems. Without it, there would be no almonds. The absence of bees would lead to a drastic reduction in almond production, affecting not just the trees but the entire ecosystem and economy that depends on them. This dance of bees and blossoms is a reminder of the intricate and beautiful connections that sustain life on Earth. By late summer, the almonds are ready for harvest. Machines shake the trees, causing the ripe almonds to fall onto large nets spread out on the ground. It's a sight to behold. The ground vibrates with the activity, dust rises in the air. Workers move quickly to oversee the process. It's a delicate balance between efficiency and care. The almonds must be harvested quickly, but they must also be handled gently to avoid damage. The harvested almonds, still in their shells, are gathered and transported to processing plants. Here, they are cleaned and hulled. The outer shell is removed, revealing the prize inside, the almond we know and love. The air is filled with the sounds of machinery and the earthy aroma of almonds. It's a hive of activity as workers monitor the process. They ensure that only the highest quality almonds make it through. Section 5. The art of sorting and quality control. Once hulled, the almonds are sorted and graded. This is where technology plays a key role. Optical sorters use cameras and sensors to identify and remove any damaged or imperfect almonds. Only the best almonds will be sold as whole nuts. The rest are used for other purposes, such as almond flour or almond butter. Nothing goes to waste. Section 6. From California to the world: packaging and distribution. The sorted almonds are packaged and shipped all over the world. They are a versatile ingredient, used in everything from snacks to desserts to main courses. The almond industry is a global one, connecting California's orchards to kitchens around the globe. It's a testament to the hard work of everyone involved, from the farmers to the processors to the distributors. Section 7. Sustainability in a nutshell: environmental stewardship. The almond industry is acutely aware of its environmental impact. Farmers are constantly innovating to reduce water usage, improve soil health, and protect pollinators. Sustainability is not just a buzzword, it's essential for the future. Farmers are implementing practices that are good for the environment and good for business. This ensures that future generations can continue to enjoy the bounty of California's almond orchards. Section 8. A global commodity with deep roots. The almond's journey from California's orchards to our tables is a testament to human ingenuity and our connection to the natural world. From the moment the almond trees bloom in the fertile soils of California, a complex and fascinating process begins. Farmers, with their deep knowledge and dedication, tend to these trees, ensuring they receive the right amount of water, nutrients, and care. This meticulous attention to detail is crucial for producing the high-quality almonds that are enjoyed worldwide. It's a story of innovation, sustainability, and the global appetite for this delicious and versatile nut. The journey doesn't end in the orchards. Once harvested, almonds undergo a series of innovative processing techniques. Advanced machinery sorts, shells, and packages the almonds, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and safety. These processes are continually refined to be more efficient and environmentally friendly, reflecting the industry's commitment to sustainability. Next time you enjoy a handful of almonds, take a moment to appreciate the complex process behind them. Each almond you eat has traveled a long way, from the careful hands of farmers to the sophisticated processing facilities, and finally to your table. This journey is a testament to the hard work and dedication of countless individuals who ensure that these nutritious nuts are available for us to enjoy. It's a story that underscores the interconnectedness of our food system and the importance of sustainable practices. The global demand for almonds has led to a network of trade that spans continents, connecting farmers in California with consumers around the world. This interconnectedness highlights the need for sustainable farming practices that protect the environment and ensure the long-term viability of almond production. By supporting sustainable almond farming, we contribute to a healthier planet and a more resilient food system. The story of almonds is also one of nature's wonders. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating almond flowers, a process that is vital for the production of almonds. This symbiotic relationship between bees and almond trees is a beautiful example of nature's interconnectedness. Protecting bee populations and promoting biodiversity are essential for the continued success of almond farming. As you browse the store shelves, you'll find a wide variety of almond products, from raw nuts to almond milk, butter, and flour. Each product represents a different aspect of the almond's versatility and its ability to meet diverse culinary needs. The popularity of these products is a testament to the almond's unique qualities and its ability to adapt to various dietary preferences and trends. The almond industry also fosters a sense of community. Farmers often come together to share knowledge and best practices, ensuring that the industry continues to thrive. Community events and initiatives in almond-growing regions celebrate the rich heritage and cultural significance of almond farming. These gatherings strengthen the bonds between farmers and their communities, creating a supportive network that benefits everyone involved. In conclusion, the story of almonds is one of dedication, innovation, and sustainability. From the orchards of California to tables around the world, almonds connect us to the land and to each other. By appreciating the journey of almonds, we can better understand the importance of sustainable practices and the impact of our food choices on the global food system. So, the next time you enjoy an almond, remember the incredible journey it has taken to reach you.